Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to dress like Korean girls, simple tips, outfit ideas, and the key pieces you need. By the way, today's video is in collaboration with Girly Tips. Check out her channel, show some love, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's jump in. Korean fashion is all about balance. It's cute, feminine, chic, and effortless all at once. The key is mixing comfort with style. You'll notice Korean girls don't usually overdo it. They stick to simple pieces and add just the right touch to make it pop. Wardrobe staples. Oversized tops, t-shirts, hoodies, and sweaters are a must. Pair them with fitted bottoms like skinny jeans or skirts to balance the look. Mini skirts and dresses. Short skirts and simple dresses are super popular. They're usually paired with sneakers for a casual but chic vibe. High-waisted bottoms. Whether it's jeans, trousers, or skirts, high-waist styles are everywhere. They give a flattering shape and make your legs look longer. Cardigans and blazers. Layering is huge in Korean fashion. A cute cardigan over a basic top or a structured blazer instantly makes the outfit stylish. Shoes and accessories. Sneakers. White sneakers are basically a uniform. They go with skirts, dresses, and jeans. Chunky shoes. Platform sneakers or boots are also common. They add height and a trendy vibe. Accessories. Korean girls love simple jewelry. Small hoop earrings, dainty necklaces, and cute rings. Hair clips and headbands are also super popular. Bags. Small crossbody bags or mini backpacks are the go-to choice. Colors and patterns. Korean outfits often use soft, neutral colors: beige, white, pastel pink, baby blue, or gray. Sometimes you'll see bolder patterns like plaid skirts or striped tops, but the overall vibe stays clean and fresh. Makeup and hair. Fashion and beauty go hand in hand. Go for natural makeup, light foundation, soft blush, a little eyeliner, and glossy lips. Hairstyles are usually simple but neat: straight hair, soft curls, or a messy bun with cute clips. Putting it all together. Here's an easy outfit formula you can try. Oversized pastel sweater plus pleated mini skirt plus white sneakers plus small crossbody bag. Or another option: white blouse plus high-waisted jeans plus simple blazer plus loafers plus dainty necklace. The idea is to look clean, stylish, and effortless without too many layers or heavy accessories. And that's it. Super simple tips on how to dress like Korean girls. Mix comfort with style, keep it clean, and have fun with it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye, girls.